Okay, never mind, I do video. Okay, never mind, look at this. Now, I'll make it into YouTube video. So we cringe a bit. Okay, I'll cringe a bit. So I do it now together. Okay, now everyone. So this question over here from Info. Okay, I'm gonna open up like a separate page to explain it. So you're right together in a question. So in a paper. So 3, then 3. This is n plus 1 plus 3 with a 3n. Then minus 9 with a 3n minus 2. And then they want you to sort of simplify. You are not getting any n answer, They just want you to simplify it. Okay. Now, students, it's an interesting question where this question is just purely on simplifying. Okay, so I just put that simplifying. It's a question from our Liang. Okay, everyone. So just like I said, this idea is actually from AdMaths. But the moment when I mention the word AdMaths, right, it might scare you like, oh, teacher, AdMaths. So don't worry. There's only a few things that you have to be careful with. Number one, your indices value, indices rules, you have to work backwards. And the second thing would be you have to apply something relating to easy factorize that I mentioned before in your Form 2 algebraic expression. That's only 2 things that you have to do. Okay, let me show it to you. Okay, the first thing I do with you is that I don't want to use something, some symbols from AdMaths, because I'm pretty sure you've seen something like this before. Everyone, do you know what is 3 dot with a 2, for example? So normally you say 3.2, right? But in MS point of view, right, the dot is actually representing times. So I'm not using that because some of you will say like, teacher, why my teacher teach me use a dot one? That one is AdMaths. Okay, AdMaths, they use dot to represent times for a certain question in indices. Okay, I'm not doing that. I'm just doing times. Okay, let's do it. Okay, right, look at this. You know these are times. You know this is times. You know this is like times, right? Okay, see, so agree or not, this thing over here, the 9, okay, the 9 is actually 3 bracket. Look at this. 3n, wait, plus means times 3 power 1. And then plus, see, 3 bracket 3n. And then minus this one 3 square. Basically mean 3 times 3 lah. Okay, 3 times 3. 3n times with 3 power negative 2. This is agree or not? You know what I'm doing? I'm trying to do a reverse, where plus is actually something originally from 2 same base with a times relationship. So I'm doing a reverse from your what? From your am times an, like this. I do a reverse. Is that okay, right? Now, so when I do a reverse, okay, you see what I do next, agree or not? This is actually 3 times 3. Okay, I just put n, then this one 3. I'm just rewriting everything, I'm just rewriting everything just to show you in a Form 3 point of view. In MS, they do short workings, super short workings. Okay, it's just a Form 3 point of view. Okay, so that would be 3 times 3. I just separate this out, everyone. Then this one times 3 power n times 3 power negative 2. Okay, so far understand? Can? Now, so the next thing, everyone, can you find me any number that repeats just like your factorization point of view? What do we mean by factorization? For example, easy factorization that I want to show everybody. Nah, kawan-kawan sekalian, look at this. 3a plus 3ab. Can you tell me what can you factorize from this? Number one, do you notice number-wise 3 and 3 you can divide by 3? Can you see unknown-wise a, b, and a? Sorry, a and ab. A repeats. I skip the workings and straight write the factorized answer to you. 3a bracket 1 plus b. Agree, right? This is what you learn in your Form 2. So can you tell me, among all the specific plus minus question that you see over here, who repeats? Let's identify, okay? Let's identify. You notice 3 repeats. This one 3, 1. 3 repeats. You notice 3 repeats, correct? What else repeats? Hey, you notice this one repeat as well. You notice this one repeat as well. This one repeat as well, correct? So what I do is that, okay, I know what already. I know already, everyone. According to the given answer, right? Wow, this okay, ma. They put A, negative 3, 9n. They put B, 11, 3 power n. They put there C, 9, 3 power n. They put there D, 6, 3n, right? I'm using Form 3 point of view to explain. So for students where you actually Form 4, Form 5, doing AdMaths, right? Your working is way faster, okay? Now, so what I do is that from Form 3 point of view, I'll use ABCD to try to refer it. Students, do you notice they put a lot of 3n's there? You know what? They actually factorize the 3n out. So when you factorize the 3n out, okay, maybe I highlight and I see, you factorize the 3n out. You see 3n, the one that repeats. I know 3 repeat as well. But do you know why? They want to remain the 3, 1 inside. Do you know why? Because you can actually solve that. You can actually solve that. So you see 3n. Now you're going to solve the question inside, you know. Now you're going to solve the question inside. Okay, everyone, look at this. Solve means you can use calculator if you want, but I don't want. So this one is actually 9. 3 times 3, 9. This one 3. And this one, 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3 power 1 over 2, 3 power 1 over 2. 3 power negative 2, sorry. This is actually 3. 1 over 3 square. So this is what? 9 times 1 over 9. Cut. 3n bracket 9 plus 3 minus 1. 3n bracket extra workings. 3 plus 9 plus 3 equals to 12. 12 minus 1, 11. Students, which one is the answer? Which one is the answer? Ta-da! B. This one terbalik okay one. You can put 11, then 3 for n is C. So answer is B. So students, I'm using a Form 3 point of view to explain the situation to you. In MS they do way faster. So Form 3 point of view, two things very important. They are doing a reverse where I don't think students will think this way, like reverse. But now you know, this question you can do a reverse. And second, they're using a method from Form 2 called easy factorize. So you do a factorization to take out the one that repeats, then you will be able to solve the question really. It's a kind of question where they do it in MS. It's a very simple question in MS, but in Form 3 point of view, it looks hard for you. Okay, so it's great that you have special question like this. Okay, you can write this down. Everyone, I'll see you in on the next class.